Why is the Stock Act not enough? Like, what are the issues with the Stock Act that you think that we're addressing now?
The challenge of the Stock Act is it still allows members to trade every day if they want. I mean, they just have to disclose it, and the disclosure is a month too late.
I read that in the Stock Act, if you don't report a trade that you made of worth over $1,000 within 30 days, then you're penalized.
You are penalized, but that's not enforced.
What's that penalization actually like?
It's only like $200. And it's usually not enforced.
Yet despite these shortcomings, the Stock Act's transparency requirements have drawn attention to congressional trading activity in more recent history, particularly during the pandemic in 2020.
I would say our claim to fame in like 2019 and 2020 was a lot of those well-timed COVID trades, and it made us quite popular on the internet.
That whale on the screen isn't your mom. It's actually the Twitter account Unusual Whales, whose stock trading platform has gained millions of followers for exposing politicians' trades that seem a little too good to be above board.
In the height of COVID, it was around 1,358 trades worth, which is around 60 million trades during COVID. And everyone remembers these stories. This was like Richard Burr going from 83% of equities to 3% of equities, the rest being in U.S. Treasuries, and then calling his brother the next day. Lots of members were trading. It was equally split between Republicans and Democrats. Everyone remembers the famous ones, but representatives like Susan Davis, she was selling thousands of dollars in Alaska Air and Royal Caribbean cruises before COVID. Everyone liked to point to Loeffler or Feinstein doing it, but many members were doing it. This was not an isolated case. It was thousands of transactions.
Mr. Whale was part of a league of Twitter accounts that tracked trades disclosed by members of Congress as required by the Stock Act.